Electric cars are everywhere, on the streets, in the news, and maybe even in your neighbor's garage. It's a massive shift from the gas-powered engines we've known for generations. The conversation has changed. Now it's all about battery range, charging times, and smart features. EVs aren't just a new way to power cars, they're redefining what cars can be. Packed with cutting-edge tech, they're smarter, safer, and more connected than ever. So why now? People care more about the environment. Governments are pushing for cleaner transport, and battery tech has finally caught up. Cars go farther, charge faster, and deliver jaw-dropping performance. Drivers want a better, quieter, and more affordable experience, while engineers are pushing the limits of design and innovation. We're at the start of a new chapter in automotive history, and it's an incredible ride. The electric revolution isn't just coming, it's already here. So, what's an electric car? Let's break it down in simple terms. Think of it as a giant, high-tech gadget on wheels, packed with smart features, touchscreens, and software that's always updating. Instead of a gas engine, you get an electric motor powered by a big battery pack under the floor. This setup is much simpler than what you'll find in a traditional car. Plug it in, charge it up, and you're ready to roll. No oil changes or exhaust systems to worry about. Charging can happen at home overnight or at public stations while you shop or work. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance and more reliability. No spark plugs, no timing belts, and no complicated transmissions, just smooth, quiet power. Tesla made EVs cool, but now every major automaker, Nissan, Ford, Chevy, Hyundai, Kia, VW, is in the game. The choices are growing every year, from compact city cars to powerful SUVs. The heart of every EV is its battery. Thousands of cells managed by smart computers. These batteries are engineered for safety, performance, and long life. This battery determines how far you can go on a charge, what we call range. Some models can travel over 300 miles before needing a recharge, making road trips easier than ever. As batteries get better and cheaper, EVs become more practical for everyone. More people are choosing electric for their daily commute, errands, and even family adventures. It's a global race and the technology is evolving fast. Countries and companies are investing billions to make EVs the new normal. The result? Cars that are simpler, cleaner, and more fun to drive. They're quiet, quick off the line, and produce zero tailpipe emissions, good for you and the planet. The battery is the key piece of the puzzle. It's what makes electric cars possible, and it's where most of the innovation is happening. And it's unlocking a whole new era for drivers. One where cars are smarter, greener, and ready for the future.